Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters.
This is question number 1 from exercise 14.2, page number 275. Question goes like this. The following table shows ages of patients admitted in a hospital during a year. So this is the data they are given. Asking the question like this. Find the mode and mean of the given data and compare and interrupt the two measures of central tendency. So let us start solving with the mode. So mode, we know the formula for mode. Mode is given by L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So first we have to find out the modal class. See here, compare the frequencies that they have given 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. So out of the given frequency, 23 is the maximum frequency. So the corresponding class for the maximum frequency is the modal class. So the modal class here is 35 to 45. Now we will write the values of L, F1, F0, F2 and H. So L is the lower limit of the modal class, so that is equal to 35. Then height, H is size of the modal class or the interval, right? So the class interval. So 35 to 45, so 45 minus 35 is 10. Then F1 is frequency of the corresponding modal class, so that is 23. F0 is the frequency of the modal class, that is preceding, right? The frequency of the class preceding the modal class, so that is you have 21. Then F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the modal class, that is 14. Now let us substitute everything in the formula here to find out the mode of the given data. So L is 35 plus F1 minus F0. So 23 minus 21 divided by 2F1. So 2 into 23 minus F0 is 21 minus F2 is 14, right? So it has to be multiplied by 10. So that is equal to 35 plus 2 divided by, so if you solve this one, you will get here 6 and 46 minus 21 minus 14 multiplied by 10 here. So if you do this one, so that is equal to 35 plus 20 divided by 11. So you will get it as 36.8. So the mode of the given data is 36.8 here. Now let us calculate mean of the given data. So as the numbers are little big here, I will go with the step deviation method. So let us write down the data here in the tabular form. That is, I am writing the age here, the class they have given, the 5 to 15, 15 to 25, then 25 to 35, 35 to 45, 45 to 55, and the last class interval is 55 to 65. Now we have to find out the average of the class, that is xi value I am taking. So upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2, 15 and 5, so that is 20 divided by 2, 10 here, 20, then it is 30, 40, 50 and then 60 here, right? Now I will write down the frequency in my third column, Fi given, the corresponding frequency again as each class I am writing 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5. Now we have to assume the mean A here. So I am taking the value 30 as my mean, assumed mean. A is equal to 30 I am selecting. Now we have to calculate ui, that is nothing but xi minus 30 divided by some h, right? Xi minus a divided by h. So class size you can take that h is equal to 10 I am taking. Now if you do this, xi minus 30, that is 10 minus 30 is minus 3, 10 minus 30 is nothing but minus 20 divided by 10, that you will get it as minus 2. So just substitute now. 20 minus 30 is minus 10 divided by 10 is minus 1. 30 minus 30 is 0 divided by 10, 0. Similarly, if you solve, you'll get 1, 2, 3 here, right? Now find out fi ui, that is multiply these two columns. So the values I'll get it as 6 and minus 2, minus 12, minus 11, 0, 23, 14 into 2 here 28, 5 3s are 15, right? Now what is the formula here for mean using step deviation method? Mean is given by a plus sigma, right, fi ui divided by sigma fi multiplied by h. So the assumed mean is 30 plus sigma fi ui. Add up all these items in the column, right, so that you will get it as 43. So 43 divided by sigma fi, the number of patients that they have admitted. You add all the column entries in your fi. This is 80. If you add 6, 11, 21, 23, 14 and 5, you will get it as 80 multiplied by height is h is 10. So this is 8 you will get here. 30 plus 43 divided by 8 here. So you will get it as 35.37. So the mean of the given data is 35.37. So after solving this question, I got mode is equal to 36.8 years, and then similarly I got the mean value of the given data is 35.37 years. So in the question they have asked compare and interpret the two measures of central tendency. So here you can conclude that the maximum number of patients that they have admitted is equal to of 36.8 years old. Similarly, the average of the age of patients admitted in the hospital is 35.37 years. So this is what we can learn from calculating mode and mean of the given data. The second question in the same exercise is, the following data gives information on the observed lifetimes of 225 electrical components. Determine the model lifetimes of the components. So this is the data they have given. So we need to find out the mode of the lifetime. So find out where we are getting the maximum frequency out of the given frequency list. So 61 is the maximum frequency, right? So the corresponding class is the model class. So 60 to 80 is the model class and the corresponding frequency is here 61. So let us write down the formula. Every time we need to write down the formula. L plus f1 minus f0 divided by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 multiplied by h. So let us write down the value of these variables from the given data. L is the lower limit of the model class, so that is 60. Then f1 is the frequency of the model class, that is nothing but 61. f0 is the frequency of the class that is preceding the model class, that means 52. Then f2 is the class that is succeeding the model class, frequency of the class that is succeeding the model class, so 38. Then h is nothing but the height of the class, so it is 20. So simple, just substitute these values in the formula. So 60 plus 61 minus 52 divided by 2 into 61 minus 52 minus 38 multiplied by 20 here. So that goes to 60 plus 61 minus 52. So that is 9 multiplied by 20 also you have So this is 122 minus 52 minus 38 means you will get it approximately here 32, right? So if you solve this, you will get it as 65.63 hours. So you can write the modal lifetime of the components is 65.63 hours. The third problem in the given exercise is the following data gives the distribution of total monthly household expenditure of 200 families of a village. Find the modal monthly expenditure of the families. Also find the mean monthly expenditure. So they are asking for both mode and mean here. So the given data is like this: expenditure and the number of families. So first calculate mode of this given data. So mode is, write down the formula, L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. So select the modal class. So out of the given frequencies, 40 is the highest frequency. So 1500 to 2000 is the modal class. So the lower limit of the modal class is L. So L is equal to 1500. So the corresponding frequency 40 is F1 and the preceding frequency is F0 and the succeeding frequency is F2, right? So from the data given, so L1 is equal to 1500 plus F1 is 40 minus F0 is 24 divided by 2F1, 2 into 40, 80 minus 24 minus 33 multiplied by the height class size 2000 minus 1500, so that will be 500. So write it 1500 plus, so 40 minus 24, it will be 16 divided by, this one will be, the denominator is 23 into 500. So after calculating here, you will get 347.83. So totally 1847.83. So the modal monthly expenditure of these families is 1847.83. Now let us calculate the mean here. So I'll write the value of xi here itself. That means the average of the class given. So 1000 and 1500. So 1500 plus 1000 divided by 2. That gives me 1250. Then you have 1500 and 1200. So 1750. Then it is 2250. Then 2750. You have 3250, then 3750, 4250 and 4750, right? So this is my xi value. Now calculate the deviation. So to calculate the deviation, we have to assume the mean. So out of this I am selecting 2750 as the assumed mean A. So I am taking A is equal to 2750. So the deviation di is equal to xi minus A. So 1250 minus 2750. So that will be minus 1500 here. Next is minus 1000. Then this will be 2250 minus 2750 minus 500. 0. Then 500, 1000, 1500 and 2000. So if you observe here, still the deviation values are in thousands. So we can take the step deviation method. So the step size you can select something like 500 you can take here step size. So I am taking ui is equal to di divided by h, that is 500 here. So h value I am selecting it as 500 step size. So that 1500 divided by 500 is minus 3. 1000 minus 1000 divided by 500 minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right now the value is very small. Now you can multiply with f, the corresponding frequency here. This is fi. So you take fi multiplied by ui. So you will get 24 multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 72. 40 into 2, minus 2, that is minus 80, minus 33 here, 0, then 30 into 1, no? 30, 22 into 2, 44, 16 into 3, 48, then 7 fours, 28, right. Now, use the formula for calculating mean, that is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi multiplied by h. So the assumed mean here is 2750 plus sigma fi ui. So if you add up all these, you will get minus 35. Sigma fi, that is add all the entries. So 200 means they have selected 200 families for this data. So minus 35 divided by 200 into 500 here. So this is 5 and 2, minus 35 into 5 divided by 2. This you will get approximately, after calculating, 2662.5. So therefore the mean monthly expenditure is 2662.5 rupees. Problem number 4 is like this. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher-student ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Find the mode and mean of this data. Interpret the two measures. Right. So this is the given data. So you are given with the class and then class interval and also the frequency of each class. So to calculate the mode, first we have to select the highest frequency. So out of the given frequencies, 10 is the highest frequency. So 30 to 35 is the model class for us. Now write down the formula here. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. So L is the lower limit of the class. So that is 30. F1 is the corresponding frequency. F0 is the class frequency of the class that is preceding the mode class, and F2 is the succeeding frequency. So I marked F0, F1, F2, and then L is equal to 30. Then the remaining is H, height of the class. So 35 minus 30 is 5. So substitute everything here. 30 plus 10 minus 9 divided by 2 into 10. So 20 minus 9 minus 3 multiplied by 5 is the height of the class. So 30 plus 1 divided by 20 minus 12. So it is 8 into 5. So 5 by 8 is 0.625. So it is equal to 30.625. So the mode of this data is 30.625. Now let us calculate the mean of this given data. So as you are given with the class interval, let us find out average of the class. So 15 to 20. So 20 plus 15 divided by 2, that is the average. So 17.5 here. Next is 22.5, 25 and 30, that will be 27.5. Next you have 32.5, 37.5, 42.5, 47.5 and 52.5. So this is your xi. Now let us calculate the deviation, di. So di is equal to xi minus a. So for that we have to take the approximate mean here. So you have here totally 8 data points. So let us take this 32.5 as your assumed mean. So xi minus a. So that is xi minus 32.5. So 17.5 minus 32.5. So that is minus 15. Next 22.5 minus 32.5 minus 10. So you will get it. Next one is minus 5, 0, 5, 10, 15 and 20. So these are the corresponding deviations. Now if you see here, there is a common number, that is 5. So you can take here step size h is equal to 5, so that the calculation will be more simpler. So ui is equal to di divided by 5 you can take. Then you will get it as minus 15 divided by 5, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you can calculate xi ui. Now the calculation will be more simpler here. So you take it xi value and then fi multiplied by ui, right? So fi and ui, so this is the corresponding fi. So multiply 3 into minus 3, minus 9, minus 16, again 9 into minus 1, minus 9, 0, 3, 0, 0, 4 into 2 is 8, right? So now write down the formula for mean. X bar is equal to a plus sigma fi ui divided by sigma fi multiplied by h, right? So assumed mean is 32.5 plus sigma fi ui. So you have to add up all these things. So you will get it as minus 23. So this is minus 23 divided by sigma fi. Add this fi column, you will get it as 35. So 35 into h is 5. So this will be 7 times. So 32.5 minus 23 by 7, it will be 3.28. So the mean of this data is 29.2. Means the average student ratio, teacher student ratio is 29.2. The fifth question is, you are given with the scores of the different batsmen in one-day international cricket matches, and you are asked to find out the mode of the given data. So mode, write down the formula. As I mentioned earlier also, every time you need to write down the formula. So you have 1 mark given for this formula. So I am writing L plus F1 minus F0 minus 2F1 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H, right? So the highest frequency here, it is 18. So the corresponding class is the model class, that is 4000 to 5000. So L is the lower limit of the class, that is 4000 here. F1 is the corresponding frequency, and then F0 is the class model frequency of the model class that is preceding, that is here F0 is 4, and F1, F2 is the class succeeding the model class. So the frequency of the class that is succeeding the model class, so F2 is 9 here. H is the class size, 5000 minus 4000, 1000. So very simple, substitute. L is 4000 plus F1 is 18 minus F0 is 4 divided by 2 into 18, 36 minus F0 is 4 minus F2 is 9 multiplied by, height is 1000 here, right? Now simplify. 4000 plus 18 minus 4 here is 14, 14 into 1000 here, right, divided by 36 minus 4 minus 9, so that is 23. So if you calculate this, you will get it as 4000 plus 608.69 approximately. So the value will be 4608.69. So this is the mode of the given data. The last question in this exercise is, a student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road for 100 periods, each of 3 minutes, and summarized it in the table given below. So find the mode of the given data. So the number of cars were 0 to 10 for 7 times, like this he has noted down. So we have to find out the mode here. So mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiplied by H. So first find out the maximum frequency. So that is 20 here. So 40 to 50 is the corresponding modal class. So L is the lower limit, that is nothing but 40 here. F1 is the corresponding frequency 20. So F0 is the preceding class frequency and F2 is the succeeding class frequency, right? So now just substitute everything here. 40 plus F1 is 20 minus F0 is 12 divided by 2F1. So 2 into 20, 40 minus F1, F0, that is 12 minus F2, 11 into height of the class 50 minus 40. So that is 10 here. So 40 plus this is 8 into 10, 80 divided by 40 minus 23 here. So that is 17. So you'll get it as 40 plus here 4.7. So 44.7. Therefore, the mode of the given data is 44.7 cars.
For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.